we can't get out to do any videos. I'll let you guess why. Every day is like this. Every day. It's crazy. It goes on and on and on and on and on. Kids love it though. I just thought I'd show you what's going on and why you're not getting loads of videos. Not just this though. There's always something else. But this is just crazy. So we've got a tropical depression. It's going to go on for days and days and days apparently. It is rainy season, but it just doesn't stop. You know, I love it when it's like this, but not every day. Can you hear the thunder? It was really overhead and the building shook. I kid you not. The kids love it. In fact, some adults will come out with the soap and the shampoo and washing it. I don't think I'll ever do that though. You never know what's in this stuff. So you remember this place was an absolute wreck. I've not seen inside, I don't know what it's like. Absolute wreck. They've put a new roof on it and spent a bit of time on it. Now I think there's 9 people living in it. Bearing in mind there's snakes in there, the worst snakes in there, cobras, and every now and then on the CCTV we'll catch the cobras coming out of the wall there and crossing and going under our house. They killed another cobra, I think it was about 2 months ago in that garden. There's a big cobra in there and they hit it with a spade. It's just great. See, can you see? Yeah, just about. You hear the thunder, my God. There's some lightning. I've never seen rain like this since I come to the Philippines. I mean, it's always rained in the UK, you know that. But here in the Philippines, it can be sunny. Oh, lightning. It can be sunny and then all of a sudden, boom, it's pouring it down with rain. This is a bit funny that my sister, who lives in the UK, obviously, just saying that, they're saying there's a water shortage. They get a couple of weeks of sunshine and no rain, and then there's a shortage of water. Absolute BS. So welcome to the Philippines. Oh. Again, I love it, but not every day. This is every day. This morning it was sunny. Come 12 o'clock, started going, well, not dark, but the sun went. And then boom, what time is it now? I think it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Some more lightning. It's crazy. Hello. She's family, she's a Yukim. All them next door in the house here are Yukims. That's why. Do you know what, guys? Something I just thought about very quickly. It's alright going to places, but when you get there, there's certain places foreigners shouldn't live in, right? They're close to, or could be close to, or they're very bad people. I'm okay living where I am because I'm surrounded by family. It's not just next door, it's all family around here. They all look out for each other. Now this house down there, they've been evicted. I remember me saying I got hit with a load of land rent, and the two brain cells said it was rent. It wasn't rent, it was land rent. Well, these didn't pay and wouldn't pay, and they've been kicked out now. So they're in the process of dismantling the house. Apparently they're going to knock it down fully, I don't know. But they've got to move out. Which is a shame because, well, I guess nothing stays the same, does it? You see, if we got a place, you know, a bungalow with a big wall around it, and, you know, just outside of Naga or whatever, that's what I'm thinking of eventually. We'll miss all this because there's always something going off, you know. There's loads of kids about all the time playing, and just like this with the rain. I'm surprised there's not more actually. So that's it, guys. Very quick video. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share our videos, and make sure the notification bell doesn't have a line through it. Catch you on the next one, guys.
Please subscribe to the Brit in the Philippines.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know